Did you work out already? Come on, let's use the correct way for the fitness. The fitness activity is very hot in the whole world. Did you work out already? The fitness activity is very hot in the whole world. And one day there is some friends that we are talking about some method to make the workout and make the fitness of our good shape. My best friend say, normally I just work out during my driving time. You know, it's a free cost and also good usage of my time. I say, excuse me, are you kidding? Alright, in fact, his car, his power steering is very tough and very hard. So when he's driving, he always needs to use the arm power as much. Yeah, I must say he has a very nice, very beautiful muscle, even though he did not pay anything for the gym club. Also did not pay the extra time. But unfortunately, he must pay all his energy after driving and also his safety. Because his power steering cannot turn it smoothly. And also, finally, he still pay a lot of cost for the car repair. Because the metal friction brings a lot of metal noise. And also, finally, the oil leakage. Regularly use ESC 35 to flush the power steering. We only need 125 more. That means only half bottle. But it can guarantee you has a very fast response and also very smooth power steering. Because all the oil sludge, all the metal friction, all the seal leakage was all removed from ESC 35. Come on, let's use the correct way for the fitness and also use the correct method ESC 35 to improve your driving pleasure, your safety, and also your wallet.